Friday, and you already know exactly where I'm at. I'm at Dollar General for their clearance event. So I think I'm gonna post 2 videos today, one of the clearance event, and then I'm gonna check the Dollar General market because a lot of people wanted to know about that. Now, soon as we get in the store, guys, we already seen these 70%, they are actually 90% calendars. I know when I posted the video the other day, a lot of people were like, my store has them 90%. It was actually a glitch, guys, because they were not supposed to be 90% off at that time. But as you can see, my store has the planners, the desktops, and they even still have some Valentine's Day items, which is candy. All of this is 90% off, so I don't want any of it, okay? And then as we keep going, so you see 90% off back to school, so you should be able to get that. And then once again, 90% off Valentine's. So if you're still looking for Valentine's Day candy, if you happen to score some, you can actually get it. No worries at all. Down this aisle, it looks like there's the clothes, but I think I am going to go directly to the home. What do you guys think? Because I think majority of the time we want home stuff, and really for me, I want candles. So that's one of the things. Now, here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. We run directly into it, and you can see it is brown dots, as well as they have some yellow dots, but really brown dots and purple dots. And when he scanned at my store, they still have it. So you can see here, we have these water bottles, and these are cute to grab the whole set. And these look like what? Little llamas? These would be great, especially for like spring break. They have the little strap on them. Now, these are too cool. Okay, look at the tumblers as well. So these would be great to even give to like your animal rescue. You know, just a nice way to say, hey, thank you. And they were $3, which made them $1.50. And then today they're additional 50% off, which makes them 75 cents. So you see they have some tumblers, some different mugs. So if you are a pet lover, this is where you need to be. And look here where you can put their food in it. Okay, it doesn't want to open. Alrighty here. And then you see that they have more mugs. Now, I thought these were nice as well. These are some more tumblers. They are $2.50, and today it makes them $1.25. Now, guys, I already had pre-smelled these candles. This one stinks like, oh my goodness, the rainwater white lily. However, this mandarin marine citrus, I am going to grab both of these because this is a great deal to me. They are $2.50 right now, and then with the additional 50, it's going to make them $1.25. Now, that is a great deal. That's cheaper than Walmart. That is also cheaper than Bath and Body Works. So to me, you cannot beat that. And I hope I find more candles. I love lighting candles in my home. Oh my gosh, I do. So let me know if that is the type that you are. Like if you like to light candles and just set the mood. Yes. All right, so then these are some more candles. Now, these do not have a sticker, but they smelled amazing. And this is the vanilla cashmere. They're saying they're $5. I'm gonna grab these just in case, and I hope that they are on sale, but I'm not sure because they don't have the color coat on there. So if they do, I'm gonna grab all of them because those smell delicious. Now, the next thing we have, of course, these are great too, the little spoons to go with them. And then we have all these purple dot storage boxes. I've shown you these before in the last video. Majority of them range from $3 to $5, and then you get an additional like 50% off, so $1.50, $2.50. Now, for those that are still looking for some home decor, here we go, guys. This is a 3-piece wall set, and you can see it is $5. An additional 50% off would be $2.50. Not bad at all. I've shown you these before. These are the mini mugs. I don't know, this looks very kind of like the olden days. I don't know, the caveman days or something. So but those today would be $1.25. And then we have the whiskey glass set. So if you're having that little, you can get you some candles at home, have you a nice little drink if that's what you do. Okay, I'm not judging, but these would only be 75 cents. So not bad. I think I'm gonna leave these because I don't think I need them. Then we also have some frame sets. So this is a 9-piece frame set as well. Now you can put this in your work, your office, you know, at home. There's a lot of things. And this is $15, which makes it $7.50. And then today it would be what, guys, like $3.75. So no worries at all there. And then you also have like just some different picture frames. I may get this flashlight because I need a flashlight. I don't know. Let me see here. That would be $2.50 and then $1.25. I don't know. I may grab one because, you know, you never know. In Alabama, we have all these tornadoes and different things. And then here we go, guys. We also have this tabletop fountain. This would be very serene, especially like for me, since I work at home. I can put this right there and just have the water playing and, you know, have my music going and just give a nice little vibe. Okay. So, guys, I do try to go to a different store just to show as well, and looks like we have some other clearance hunters here, but you see here we do have the throws. So the throws, of course, they will be an additional 50% off as well. You have the throws, you have the pillows. I've talked to you guys about these already, just more pillows, and these are nice. It looks like Jurassic Park and Batman pillows. And then they even have this, which is a striped poof. Okay, I haven't seen these before, but that is nice. And the home section looks like it has a lot of different items. Now, I've smelled these candles. Not so much, guys. Like, well, I might get this one because this cotton one did smell great. And, yep, I'm going to grab this one. So it'll only be 50 cents. I hope I can find more of these. Oh, my gosh. Guys, I didn't break it. Okay, yes, I did not break it. All right, and then we have some more home decor, some decorative wall shelves, and these are nice. To me, this would be like a cute little do-it-yourself. If you've seen it on Pinterest, you can put like the candles in there. And let's see what else we can find. Eye mask, face mask. Yeah, oh, bath bombs. And this is a hair drying towel. I may get some of these. I don't know. These are the charcoal bath cloths. Now, guys, today these would only be 50 cents. So we're only looking at 50 cents for all this, for bath bombs, for hair drying towels, for exfoliating charcoals, body scrubbers. Now, some of this stuff, guys, you just don't need, okay? So if you don't need it, leave it, okay? That's the slogan for today. You don't need it. Oh my gosh, can I just see really quickly? Okay, so she ended up getting this clock. How much is this?
I can't remember. $2.70.
$2.70?
Yep, and the little one was $1.08.
What? The one, I didn't see the little one. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, you're getting you some deals. Go ahead. Okay, good for you, girl. Good for you. I'm putting it on my YouTube now. All right, guys, so you can see we have customer scoring deals. Yay, we're all in this together. All right, so then we have some oven mitts as well. And these guys would only be like hold on. I think they're already 50 cents. I think they'll be a quarter today. I might grab these. I'm thinking about, hold on, maybe. I'm trying to think. Help me think, guys. What can I use this for? Like, can we put together like a box or something? Like, I'm thinking maybe help me out, help my juices flow, like help my brain get going. I like these both, but I'm thinking maybe if you put this with like some, what is it, cake mix or different things, maybe you can have a whole set. I wish they match. I don't know. We'll think about it. All right, guys, they have the washcloths, which these would be $1.25. They're a little rough feeling, okay? I need something a little soft. My skin is delicate, all right? And then this is the clearance. Oh my gosh. So you can see they have different clocks. So this would be $5, or it was already 50% off. So it will be $5 for that one. They do have the Dollar General shampoo, conditioner. And guys, y'all want me to dig? Do you want me to get in here and dig? Let's see what we can find. It looks like there's some of everything. Razors, phone cases, blades. Okay. It looks like there's some of everything down here. I'm just trying to see. Now let me know, like, is your store still stocked up, or is your store participating? Because I know some people, I get a lot of comments, they're like, hey, I called my store. You better get the app and just scan it just to make sure before you go up there. This is the clock that she purchased, and they have these different clocks for only $2. Not a bad deal at all. So guys, this is the time. This is the time. Now, if your store doesn't have it or you can't make it, no worries at all. Come on now, we already know these are they're seasons in sales, and so we know that if you can't get it, it probably will come back. Dollar General will always have it, guys, so don't worry about it. Okay, all right, so thus far all I still have is my candles, and we're gonna go look at the clothes, and then once I look at the clothes, we'll go from there. All right, guys, so you see that they have the kids information, which I showed you guys. This all winter wear, it is 50% off. Then my store is still doing an additional 50% off on there as well. So, and then guys, like, look everywhere, because look at here, they have up here, oh my gosh, they have these 50% off signs everywhere. So look everywhere in your store. Look at that. And I have you up high, guys. I have you up high because they have it up high. Like, they have it up high. And so then we already talked about the Blue Dot apparel, which they have just this one rack. I may check and see if these are nice. My husband would love some basketball shorts, so I may check as well. So guys, look everywhere. Look on end caps, look up high, look down low, wobble to the floor. Can you tie it in a knot? Can you tie it in a bow? I don't know, it just felt like we're singing a song here. Okay, so you see blue and gray dot. Now look at these for children. Oh my gosh, look at there. They are already $250. They'll be additional on there. So these are some cute little not cute little shoes or house shoes. And then they have these as well. We have these. Oh my gosh, this is great, especially for children. I'm looking, oh my gosh, okay, I know I have a lot of followers that have children and you want to see. So look at here, Blue Dot as well. Oh my gosh, look at this. The cool kid just arrived. And then that is not Blue Dot. I'm looking for some more Blue Dot, guys. That is not Blue Dot. That is not Blue Dot. So they have it. And remember the other store. Okay, here we go. I see some Blue Dot here. Blue and gray. Now, we would probably just have to really dig in there. I will say this, one of the things for women, I will say that, like, I do like their pajama sets. So, like, the pajama sets work very well from the Dollar General. Now, you have to size up like 1 or 2 sizes, but they do work well. And it looks like these pants, now these feel thin and cheap, but they do have them as well. And I'm gonna go through and just dig, guys, and see what I can find. I will say what I am loving right now, and I'm probably gonna get these. I'm gonna see the exact cost on them, is these men wallets, because these will, between those 10-cent socks that I bought the other day and these are going to the men in my church for Father's Day. Okay, and then they have the knickknacks that I showed you as well. So I'm gonna go through and just find some different things on what I can and see what I can score, and then I'll come back and give you a brief synopsis on what I've purchased. But I hope this store is still fully stocked. Let me know, like, are you guys finding these deals this morning? Are you out shopping with me? Because I know y'all are my people, and I know you probably are. So I'll be back, guys. Let me go ahead and see what else I can find. Oh my gosh. For clothes, I'm on the fence about getting this sleep set. It says offline, and it comes with the 2-piece set. Now this would only be like $3. I'm probably going to leave it because I like getting an extra large, and they only have a large. I wear a size large, but sometimes to me, I've noticed that I have to go up in their clothing. The next thing was this dress. I may get this dress because it's only going to be like $2, and I can wear this with like some Chuck Taylors and maybe put on like a nice little button down or denim jacket over it. So I think I'm gonna grab this for only $2. Also, when it came to the wallet sets, these wallet sets are only 75 cents. And then guys, I will show you this. So in my store, they have where these blue polo wallets are $7.50, and they would be like almost like 70, or I think like $1 something. However, they're in the wrong spot. Now, she was willing to honor them for me, but I'm like, no, I don't need them. I'm sure they'll go down at some other point. But you know, like kind of guys, when we're getting these sales, make sure that we have like, you know, it's just some integrity on there as well. I am probably going to get these keychain power packs though. That's what I meant to get last time, because that way I can charge my phone when out and about as well. Now, to me, the best deal of them all was these men sets. Now, this is only $1.25. It was $8 is the men athletic wear, and it is blue dot as well. So it was only $1.25. And then I got my husband some basketball shorts, and these would only be $1.25 as well. So I thought this was great. I'm getting him an extra large. He usually wears a large, but I thought that was great to find those. Of course, they have shoes, they have kids shoes, and then I was going to get him these, but I don't think he would like them. They have these men gray shorts, and these would be almost like $2.50. I don't think he would like those, but they did have a full selection of men's stuff as well. So guys, so far this is what I have. I will let you know the final breakdown once I get out of here, and we will see. Now, I don't know if I want to do these because they'll be $1.50. It's not bad though, right? I don't know. Maybe do I need these? Guys, help me out. Do I need these? Oh, this are my bags. I have 4 bags. Now, it looks like it had went out, but you can see it was $1.20, $1.50. So all the clothes were $1.20. My dress was $1.50. The candles, so you can see my wallet was 75 cents. The candles were $1.50, and then the power packs were only 90 cents. So this is a great deal, especially $1.50 for a dress. I can't wait to style it for you guys if you want to see. But it's a beautiful day, and I'm about to hit up another Dollar General. I'm going to the Dollar General market. Let's see what we can find. So you guys get out to your nearest Dollar General. It is going on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So be there or be square. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, and girl, I'll talk to you later in the next video. Okay, we got one more video coming today, so don't worry about it. Bye.